Hey there, I'm Britt.
And I'm Heather.
And this is The Beach Show, your only internet TV show all about real estate on Panama City Beach and beyond.
Beachy Beach.
Welcome. We're over here in this very coastal chic kitchen over at this house on Grand Heron. I love this fabulous butcher block in the center island. Practical, but also adds a special aesthetic with extra seating. You've got plenty of space for a little breakfast table. Opening into the living room, you've got stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, very nice, coastal, bright. It's just lovely. As you walk into the living space, you've got nice light coming in from the skylights, extra details on the ceiling with shiplap, which is Heather's favorite. You've got LVP, and again, that kind of coastal color scheme, light, airy, beachy, and plenty of space for everybody to get together and have a good time. Let's go check out the rest of the house with Heather.
Thank you, Britt. You're so right. That beautiful coastal color scheme gives you that serenity, and it continues right here into the main ensuite. What I love about this house is you've got 3 bedrooms, and all 3 of them are en-suites. It's fantastic. You've got an elevated ceiling in here that kind of mimics what the living space has, and it allows for that more airy feeling. And I do love this wide open window. So as you're laying here in the bed, you can be looking right out to that serene outside, which we'll go see in a second. But let's talk about this ensuite. It's been updated to also match the rest of the living space with these beautiful quartz countertops, this nice clean coastal cabinetry, and you've got plenty of space. Okay, let's go meet Britt out back. So I'm glad you met me out here, because I was mentioning in the main bedroom just how beautiful and serene this is. These sliders can stay wide open. You've got the interior and exterior because it's screened in.
It's so peaceful, but I'm also thinking like summertime, get together, everybody hanging out by the pool.
And there's so much space between the back porch and the pool area. And I love this neighborhood because we could just hop on the golf cart and get to the sand. You're that close.
And all kinds of fun activities. The Dublin Winery just opened up.
Yes.
So if you run out of drinks at home, you can go check it out there.
Live music, all that.
Great central location.
Yes,
in Panama City
I
Beach.
love this area. So for more information on this beautiful home right here in Panama City Beach, look in the description below. I've got the listing link there for you for all the added fine details.
And while you're checking the house out, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, thebeachshow.com. You don't want to miss out on any future beach deals like this one.